It really is about doing your part to try to help protect both your own community, but any community that you're traveling to.
In the future, it could go hand in hand with mask wearing and social distancing.
If you don't have that test, you may not be allowed to enter the country or state, be forced into a quarantine, or even be fined a fee both for testing and for non-compliance with the requirements.
It's becoming more common to have paperwork proving you've had a negative COVID-19 test just days before your arrival to a destination overseas, and states could soon follow suit.
Several states are starting to ask for very similar requests where you've had a negative COVID test within the last 3 to 5 days, or you've been in a full quarantine either on arrival or you pay for a test on arrival.
Dr. Kelly Cockcut with UNMC says proving you've tested negative can help slow the spread of the virus, including in areas that can't afford to pay the price of an outbreak.
Especially some of the areas that people are going for vacation may be smaller areas, and they may not have a healthcare system that can maintain an outbreak brought in by travelers.
So if you're traveling, whether for work or vacation, it's essential to look up that pandemic-related information before you even reach that spot.
Really vetting out what you're doing, where you're going, and what the requirements are both for travel, but also for the actual locations you're planning to attend could be things to think about and plan ahead for in ways that we haven't routinely had to plan.
I would look to see if there are a lot of cases in that area and really reevaluate whether you want to go or not. If you don't have to go and there's a lot of coronavirus being spread there, I would seriously reconsider it.
It's also critical to remember that getting test results back can take a few days, so planning ahead is crucial in fighting against this deadly pandemic.
You don't want to go somewhere and make other people you're visiting, whether it's family or coworkers or business colleagues, you don't want to make anyone else sick.
And it's also important to note if you get a negative test, that doesn't mean you're clear. You still need to wear a mask and social distance during travel and when you're back home.